Don't blame other people for feeling bad. Just create, okay? Eminem doesn't feel bad. He says, I feel like the greatest. So what would Eminem do? He doesn't defend himself one-on-one. He won't be distracted. He just creates. I feel like the greatest. Okay? Then he gets his emotions out constructively in his song, right? His song gets attention for him, and he's attacked again, which proves how amazing he is, okay? And then he gets cockier, okay? He feels himself more, okay? And because the haters, losers, just validated him, and now he's even more confident, and then he goes back to step one. Consider the source. So if you allow these losers to stop you, these people who don't care about you, they don't care about your mission, you allow these people to stop you, then number one, you are robbing the people who do support you and do need your empowering example. And number two, this is sad, you get to have the results that these losers have, and you get to be the loser right with them. The fact that someone else is winning is proof that anything is possible for anybody else, okay? The less I have to hold on to physically, the less possessions, the more I become. And the more I become, the more I have to give to our most valuable resource, which is people. So, thank you.
You're worth it.
Subscribe.